Hey guys, Brian off for fishing back for another fishing video today. Well, we're down here at the creek and it's 6 o'clock in the morning and we're gonna trap some minnows so we can fish with them today. Yeah. Well, I just caught the first catfish, so I'm gonna release them right now. Well, I just caught the second species of the day. It's a creek chub looking thing. So I'm gonna get the release. Well, we just got done fishing a pond. There's catfish in it. And this is what we got. 6 catfish. And we got 1,000,000 tons of minnows. Well, we just got out in the lake here. Just using minnows. Probably gonna switch it to a Sanko here in a bit. See if we catch anything. We'll be back if we catch a fish. Well, I just caught the first smallmouth of the day. He's nice color. He's pretty big. Here's the release. There you go. Well, I just caught the first largemouth of the day. Nice size. About 2.5 pounds. Here's the release. Get the goddamn book out of me. Hook in the sweater. Here's the release. There he goes. Well, I just caught another smallmouth. There he is. He's about 1.5 pounds. Here's the release. There he goes off like a rocket. Well, we've been sitting here fishing for a while. I haven't got any bites really. I'm still fishing the minnow. Carter switched to a Sanko. I haven't got any bites, so I'll get back to you when we have a fish. Well, I just caught this nice largemouth on a minnow. He put up a good fight, and here's the release. There he goes. Well, we've been sitting here fishing for a while. I haven't got any bites really. I'm still fishing the minnow. Carter switched to a Sanko. I haven't got any bites, so I'll get back to you when we have a fish. Well, I just caught this nice largemouth on a minnow. He put up a good fight, and here's the release. There he goes. Hey guys, Brian off for fishing back for another fishing video today. Hey guys, Brian off for fishing back for another fishing video today. Well, we're down here at the creek and it's 6 o'clock in the morning and we're gonna trap some minnows so we can fish with them today. Yeah. Well, I just caught the first catfish, so I'm gonna release them right now. Well, I just caught the second species of the day. It's a creek chub looking thing. So I'm gonna get the release. Well, we just got done fishing a pond. There's catfish in it. And this is what we got. 6 catfish. And we got 1,000,000 tons of minnows. Well, we just got out in the lake here. Just using minnows. Probably gonna switch it to a Sanko here in a bit. See if we catch anything. We'll be back if we catch a fish. Well, I just caught the first smallmouth of the day. He's nice color. He's pretty big. Here's the release. There you go. Well, I just caught the first largemouth of the day. Nice size. About 2.5 pounds. Here's the release. Get the goddamn book out of me. Hook in the sweater. Here's the release. There he goes. Well, I just caught another smallmouth. There he is. He's about 1.5 pounds. Here's the release. There he goes off like a rocket. Well, we've been sitting here fishing for a while. I haven't got any bites really. I'm still fishing the minnow. Carter switched to a Sanko. I haven't got any bites, so I'll get back to you when we have a fish. Well, I just caught this nice largemouth on a minnow. He put up a good fight, and here's the release. There he goes.
Kyle's hooked up. Just a little guy? Is he fighting good? Making the ugly stick.
No, I'm wrapped around.
Wrapped around where? Is he?
Well, I just caught this smallmouth. He's about 1 pound or so. He's a good little fish. Put up a good fight. I'm gonna release him now.
He also is a bit of a jerk, getting stuck behind the pole.
Yeah. There he goes. Well, we're done fishing on this lake for the day. We're probably gonna go back and eat, jump on the 4-wheelers, and go down to that pond we were catching the catfish at. See if we can catch a giant. So I'll get back to you when we're there. Well, we came back down here for another trip of minnows, and we got a bunch on no bread. Look how many. That was on like little to no bread.
Yeah.
That's a lot. We'll get back to you when we're at the catfish pond. Well, I just got hooked up with the first catfish of the day. He's flopping on the floor. He's right here. Let me see if I can grab him. Come here. He's a good size. I'm going to throw him in the bucket now. Well, just caught the new next species. It's a nice rock bass. Well, not nice, but he's a good size. Here's the release. And well, we're done fishing here today. We're gonna go eat some dinner and probably come back out tonight. So, yeah, hopefully we can get some big ones tonight, if there is. We've caught some pretty nice, I guess you could call them, catfish. But I'll check back in after dinner. Well, we're not going back out fishing tonight because it's pouring rain. It's been like this for two and a half hours or so. And, so we're probably gonna go back out fishing tomorrow. We're gonna wake up around 8 or so. It's gonna be a short day, and check back in the morning. Well, we're back down at the creek getting our minnows. We were gonna go back out last night, but it just started fucking pouring rain, so we couldn't. And it was about 2 minutes after we got home, so we didn't get wet. Then we tried to go back out. The 4-wheeler wouldn't start this morning. The battery's dead. Carter's dirt bike wouldn't start. The battery was dead too. We got this crayfish for bait, and then I'm going to show you the minnows we caught.
I think we got a lot. Ooh, yeah. We got some. They're all good size too.
That's how many minnows we got. I'll get back to you when we're at the catfish pond. When we're down here getting minnows, and Carter drops the other half of his minnow trap in the water because there's one part here and there's one part down there. So he's gone back to get a magnet to see if he could get it. Well, we're here at the minnow pond, the catfish pond. I just caught this nice catfish, so I'm gonna release him. Well, we're done catfishing for today. So, hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.